الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. آمين.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear 5th standard students, hearty welcome to the online class of Islamic studies and wish you happy new academic year. Okay, I invite your attention into our textbook. Okay students, as it is our first Islamic class, we can go through the headlines of the textbook. Just an introduction of a textbook, we can understand the system and structure of the textbook that we are going to study throughout this academic year. Okay, all of you take textbook. Page number 6, you take contents page, Fihrus, that is contents. Now dear students, we can check which are the chapters we have to study in this textbook. Okay, from up to down I may start reading. Okay, everybody point with your fingers. Only the English meanings are given in the contents page. It's Arabic words we can study in each lesson. Okay, the first, knowledge. The second, faith. 3, the laws of Islam. 4, causes for ritual impurity. 5, Islam. 6, things prohibited due to ritual impurity. 7, ablution. 8, the belief in Allah. 9, the manners of sleeping. 10, recommended matters of ablution. My dear students, do you know why did I tell you to read these 10 headlines? Because I know you are familiar with many headlines, these headlines, but it is the further explained study about what you had studied from the lower class. Okay, there will be some explanatory part. So all of you are familiar with the basic headlines, basic meanings and basic knowledge of our headlines. Okay, we can have some more detailed study in this academic year about Islam and Islamic ideas, ideologies, etc. And you are very lucky that your text includes very important and essential matters that never be neglected in your Islamic life, in your life. All are essential things, so try not to miss anything. Okay. Open page number 7. Now we can start with أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا رسول الله. You please repeat. Dear students, please repeat. Bismi, Hamd, Salat and Salam. See, the respect with moral education, moral knowledge, moral study is to begin with Bismillahi and Hamd, Salat on our beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. You know it, but I just remind. Okay. Now may I start reading? You point with your fingers. Okay. Lesson 1. Al-ilmu. Al-ilmu. You repeat with me and after me. Al-ilmu. Meaning knowledge. Knowledge. Now, dear students, may I explain the reference of our lesson. As you feel from the style of the lines in this lesson, you might have understood that this lesson is some of poetry. Poetry written by Sheikh Zainuddin Makhdum radiallahu anhu. You know, about Kerala Muslims, the stand of Sheikh Zainuddin Makhdum radiallahu anhu is not negligible. The Islamic history of the Kerala can be started excluding Sheikh Zainuddin Makhdum radiallahu anhu. He is the man of such a profound profile in our Kerala Islamic history. The first propagator who established the Dars system in Kerala, who is Zainuddin Makhdum radiallahu anhu, Pannani, was his center. He made so many works to uplift, to empower the Muslim community in this Kerala. One of his great works is Kitabul Adhkiya, which aims the complete purification of the mind. Our lesson, Al-Ilmu, was taken from that Kitabul Adhkiya. Very meaningful and valuable information and messages, knowledge included in this lesson. Okay, we can go to the lesson part. In these 3 lines of poem, Sheikh Zainuddin Makhdum radiallahu anhu teaches us the importance of the knowledge. The knowledge hunting is a must on every Muslim, women and men. Okay, Zainuddin Makhdum radiallahu anhu gives the awareness to have the moral knowledge and getting moral education. Okay, dear students, may I read in traditional tune? You should repeat with me and after me. Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Lesson 1, al-ilmu, knowledge. من في طريق للتعلم يسلك فإلى الجنان له طريق سهلا فتعلما لله علما نافعا إن كنت تطلب ملك دارين اعتلى تعليمه لله خير عبادة وخلافة ووراثة فتوسلا. First, my dear students, you study to recite it well and by heart it. That is today's work. Okay. Now I repeat the lines one after one. Then you repeat with your mind and with your tongue in the tune on which I recite. Okay. Today you study to read this poem very well. These lines. Okay. من في طريق للتعلم يسلك فإلى الجنان له طريق سهلا. Once more I repeat. من في طريق للتعلم يسلك فإلى الجنان له طريق سهلا. من في طريق للتعلم يسلك فإلى الجنان له طريق سهلا. Once more may I repeat. من في طريق للتعلم يسلك فإلى الجنان له طريق سهلا. The next line. فتعلما لله علما نافعا إن كنت تطلب ملك دارين اعتلى. Once again. فتعلما لله علما نافعا إن كنت تطلب ملك دارين اعتلى. At first I trained you to read. Okay. The third line you look. تعليمه لله خير عبادة وخلافة ووراثة فتوسلا. تعليمه لله خير عبادة وخلافة ووراثة فتوسلا. My dear students, you just travel with me in reciting this poem. Very good and very important poem having the fame all over the world. A spiritual poem which can change your mind, enter your life. Okay. Then you try to read again and again and you have the reading practice. Okay. تعليمه لله خير عبادة وخلافة ووراثة فتوسلا. Okay, we stop this class here. In the next class we can study more. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.